Hello friends, my name is Varun Mittal. I'm a tax advocate with the experience of 17 years in indirect and direct taxes. Today I want to talk about a very interesting topic, income from capital gain. Our Honorable Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman on 23rd of July 2024 recently made some important changes in income from capital gain. She used a very specific term called simplification of capital gain taxes. Let's dive in and see how our Honorable Minister make these taxes so simple for us. First, let's quickly recap what the capital gains are. When you sell something like property, residential, commercial, stock, equity or bonds for more money, what you bought it for, the extra money you make is called gain. Let's try to understand the new rules, how these gains are taxed under the income tax rules. It actually depends on the holding periods. What is the holding periods? Let's try to understand this. Now there are just two holding periods to decide whether this asset is long term or short term. Number one, 12 months. If you hold any listed asset like equity share, the holding period is more than 12 months is called long term. Number two, 24 months. If you hold any other listed asset more than 24 months, it's called long term. For example, if you hold any equity share, listed equity share for more than 12 months, it's considered as a long term asset. But if you hold any property more than 24 months and more, then your property will be considered as a long term. Before this rule, the long term holding period other than equity shares or listed shares is 36 months. Now it has been reduced to 24 months. Point number 3, long term capital gain exemption has increased. Good news, if you sell your long term capital gain shares and you earn 1,25,000, you don't have to pay any taxes. Now the exemption limit has been increased from 1 lakh rupees to 1,25,000. Now the fourth and most important point, last point, is low taxes on other long-term gains. Starting with 23rd of July 2024, indexation benefits on all asset class are removed, are not applicable. However, if the acquisition date is before 23rd of July 2024, taxpayer is having the option, if any land or building was acquired before 23rd of July 2024. Option number 1, flat tax rate without indexation 12.5% or 20% flat tax rate with indexation. Hope this informative video will help you and make your tax calculation specifically in capital gain space makes this simple. I am here to help you. Feel free to connect if you are having any query in this regard. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.